Hi traders, it's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So I have to announce a lot of things today. And the first thing is I have some kind of internet issues. I get a better internet connection. And because I get a better internet connection, the problem here is that they are working on my line. And that is the reason why you will get this video a little bit later than usual. Yes, because of the problems they are changing my internet connection, and that's the reason. So that was, but what was not, that was what I want to announce. I have to announce two things. Yes, the first thing, there's three things. The first thing is the BOTT indicator is nearly ready. Yes, we are close to the release of the BOTT indicator. Be patient, yes, because there will be coming up some more time, but it's done. Yes, it's done. My team and I have completed the indicator. And I have to say, it's an amazing indicator. I have never seen such kind of accuracy. Yes, and it's really amazing. No repainting, nothing. So make sure that you stay tuned, yes, because soon the indicator will be released, yes. So if you want more information about the indicator, send me an empty email with the subject BOTT indicator, yes. And if you have already contacted me and you have sent this email already, so please be patient. You will be informed when there is, when you can get it. Woohoo! Yes, the indicator is such kind of an amazing thing. So, okay. The second thing what I have to announce is that will be the next. There will be coming up after this video, there will coming up another fake breakout video, yes, where I'm gonna get the last parts of the fake breakout, how to trade the fake breakouts, make them, in the money, yes, a good trade. That will be another part, and after this I will give to you another sure shot, yes, another really high accurate sure shot that will coming up after the next fake breakout video. And after this I will go into deep, yes, how to use the candlestick math to do your trades. So I don't know how long my internet connection will hold. Yes, I try to do the video as fast as possible because in between I get always disconnected. Yes, and I'm expecting also that I get disconnected in a few minutes again. Yes, because they are working at the central stuff where the telecommunication stuff is working. So please be patient. Yes, if all the case that maybe I have to pause the video then and then continue later. I don't know what I have to do. Yes, but I want to go through this video as fast as possible. So what will be the next? What will be the next? So first of all, yes, I have lost obviously all the drawings which I have done last week, but it doesn't matter. Let me do this kind of introduction here. So we will, the next candlestick here, the next prediction for the next candle would be, in my opinion, yes, a weak candle. It will be most probably a weak bullish candle or a weak bearish candle. I don't know, or one of both anyway. Yes, for any case, yes, you do here a call option below the closing price. Yes, that would be what I would do. Yes, not what I would suggest. Yes, but you can do also, and that is a put option. Both are, from my opinion, the same. They have the same probability. Yes, while I'm thinking the call option would be a little bit better from the probabilities, because this wick here has already conquered the area. Yes, and we have here obviously how it's called, this kind of we have here this kind of support and resistance level. So I'm expecting much more that there will be a call option. And that's the reason why I will remove this. And when you do a call option, you should try to get into this trade at least at this level here, at the 50% level of this candle. Yes, because we have the ranging market, because of the flat 200 EMA. Yes, and because we have the flat 200 EMA, yes, we have the problem that we get mostly retracement candles. So your entry point should be below the closing price. So okay, let's go to the next topic immediately. Yes, because I don't know how long I can do this, and I need the internet to show you all this kind of stuff, and so I want to go immediately into the next. in the next topics. Yes, and the second thing what I have to announce after that kind of stuff, I will increase the price for the bot price action bible, for the bot price action guide, and for the video packs, and also for the bot mentorship program. So if you want to get one of those, you have to do this really fast. Yes, because I'm selling the stuff under value. Yes, I have understood this. Yes, I want to give this to all possible, yes, for less than possible, but I have seen that all those guys are using this kind of stuff, yes, and they are selling it for the double or the third times of the value which I'm selling it, and I need to prevent this. And that means that I will increase the price for the bot price action bible, for the bot price guide, bot price action guide, and for the video packs, and for the bot mentorship program. Yes, yes, to do this. Yes, to prevent this kind of stuff, because I'm giving the stuff away so undervalue. Yes, so many are do not understanding this. Yes, and so I will inform you now. Yes, if you want them, you have to get them as fast as possible. Yes, and if you are not still not joined the bot mentorship program, you have to do this as fast as possible too, because I will increase the price. Yes, because I'm one of those guys who said the early bird catch the worm. Yes, and that is my motto. And so if you want to save money, yes, then try to get them as fast as possible. You find the link in the description, and I will do the short introduction also in a few minutes later. So I have informed you only that you know this. Yes, I don't want to hear anybody crying. Yes, as the value of my content will increase. Yes, and is still increasing. And I tell you something. Also, my YouTube videos. Yes, you get all my knowledge which I have gained in years of experience. At the moment you get this for free in my YouTube videos. But these YouTube videos will go away also. I tell you this immediately. These videos which I have here on YouTube, I will eliminate them all. I will eliminate those and will make them only available to those one who are in the mentorship program. Yes, that will be this future. I tell you this immediately. So try to appreciate the stuff which I'm giving you for free now. Yes, because in the future, they will be not available anymore for all of you. I'm giving you all this kind of stuff, yes, because I want to reach as much as possible. But when the point is reached, it's the same stuff what I have done with the ebook. Yes, when I was giving away the ebook for free, nobody was caring about this. Then I took money and everybody was crying. The same stuff will happen with the YouTube videos. Yes, nobody is caring about my videos. Yes, when they are away, you will care about. Yes, and the same stuff with all the other stuff, with the Bible, with the ebook, with the guide, with the video packs, and so on. And the price will increase. I tell you this immediately. I want to inform you only that you know this. Okay, so let's go, and we're going to do immediately into the next stuff. And the next stuff is the trading psychology stuff. I tell you something. The trading psychology stuff is unique, yes, and nobody's giving you this kind of knowledge, and most of you are not getting it. I don't know why, but most of you are not getting it. That the trading psychology stuff is that what you have to go further on it and watch it again and again. I have done this trading psychology video playlist not for fun, and you have to watch it because this kind of stuff which I'm giving there, that is life changing. And yes, and when you don't quite get it, it's not my problem. So easy. Okay, let's go. So let's go, and we start immediately because the internet connection can get lost in every minute. So okay, so what I have prepared today, I have prepared the continuation of that what I have prepared last week. Yes, last week I was talking about the three concepts. Yes, the trader's mindset, the trader's skill set, and the trader's vehicle. Yes, and today I'm gonna show you because I get so many questions, yes, from my subscribers via email, from traders in general, yes, and they want to know how did I become like this, what I'm now here. Yes, and I tell you now how I did become this. I have to say that I have at the moment a little bit some kind of time issues, yes, because I have to handle a lot of things. Then there is coming up the internet problems which I'm having because we are switching on a faster internet connection with a smaller latency, yes, and all this kind of stuff. So my time is obviously a little bit occupied. Yes. Anyway, so let's go. Let me explain what's good. That was the last week. That was the trader's mindset, the trader's skill set, and the trader vehicle. And today I'm gonna discover the way which I have gone through, yes, to become this kind of pro trader which I'm now, yes. And that is this one here. And look at this. And important is how to become consistently profitable trader with applying those three essential principles. So, and that sounds so easy, yes, and it sounds like so profound. So, yes, something like that everybody would know, yes. But I tell you now exactly what this means. So, the order, yes, here, the order, I have not put the numbers in front of this kind of trading psychology stuff for fun. There are three orders how you will become this kind of successful, consistently profitable trader. That is not only related to trading. I tell you this immediately. That is in general when you are doing some kind of action in life. Yes, then it's important that you go through all this kind of steps. And the three steps are easy. And the first step is Number one is working hard. Yes, working hard is the first step. When you don't know how to work hard, you will never work smart, yes, because you have to understand what you are doing, yes. So that means, so let me see what I have written here. Hard working is something or someone that is diligent in laboring and that puts effort. You understand? Putting effort, yes, into doing and completing tasks. That means working hard. When you are doing a 9-to-5 job, and at 5 o'clock, what are you going to do at 5 o'clock? Yes, you stop. Yes, that is not working hard. Working hard is, yes, when you work more than that what you should do, when you work when you don't want to work, yes, because working is never fun time. So when you are trading and you have fun, then it's not working hard. Yes, working hard is doing those things which you do not like. That means the things which you hate to do. What do you think? That I'm not doing things which I don't want to do? So when I was starting, and now I'm going to the storyline, yes, because at the end I want to give you this kind of a feeling what this means to be working hard. And I tell you something, with working hard goes in a lot of emotions. Why? When I was working hard, and that was the beginning 4 years ago when I started trading on IQ option, I was doing everything what possible to get as much as knowledge I could, as much as practicing I could, as much as mental mindset shifting as I could, because it was frustrating. I was trying so many strategies. I was trying so many indicators. I was trying everything what was there. Everything was time consuming. Yes, because especially the strategy stuff. Yes, where they told you that you have to wait for the crossing for this EMA, blah, 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 blah. Or the alignment of the RSI with any kind of other indicator. Yes, that was really time consuming because you have to wait that the alignment of the EMA, of the body, of the indicator would happen. Yes, and then you would execute a trade. So you were sitting there, yes, and waiting that this would happen. And that was time consuming. This time consuming was, in my opinion, the complete waste of time. Yes, and I got really frustrated because I was doing this kind of strategies and they didn't work in general. Yes, it didn't work. Mostly I have traded them not really properly because I was not even, I didn't want to wait 1 hour for one signal. So in this case, that was the most problem. That was working hard, sitting there, not waiting that the indicators align, yes, and then executing the trade. Or what was also hard working? Hard working was, yes, you want to go out with your friends doing some kind of fun, but no, you want to achieve some kind of goal, so you were sitting there and doing your trading, yes, or you were there and you were searching for information on the internet, yes, to get knowledge about why something, what you are doing is not working. Yes, all this kind of stuff. 16 hours a day. I have done this 16 hours a day in front of the screen, searching information, getting trading, all this kind of watching YouTube videos from scammers, yes, and from affiliate marketers, really and understanding what they were doing, because nobody was telling that what they were doing. They were only, yes, it was only some kind of, I would say, some kind of obscurity, yes, and so I tried to figure this stuff out, and at this time there was not even talking, they didn't talk about price action. Now it's coming up, price action, candlestick psychology and all this kind of stuff, yes, but before there was no price action trading. Before there were only trading strategies, which were really the waste, the scum of the scum. So, okay, that is working hard. Let me see what is this. Hard work. Tim Notke says, hard work beats talent. So that is what it is. Because so many think, I'm such kind of talent, I'm a genius, blah, 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 blah. No, that what I have obtained, that freedom which I have gained, is based on hard work. That means you don't see. I have explained this last time where I talked about the process. All of you see only the event. The event that I'm a pro trader now. Yes, you see this on the top right, that I'm a pro trader. Yes, that is the event. But you don't see the process. And the process was hard work at the beginning. It's really important, because only hard work will not bring you there where I am. Yes, because hard working is a nice thing, that is the fundament, yes, but it's not that what will bring you and lead you to become a consistently profitable trader, because there are so many who are working hard. My mother worked a lifetime hard. Yes, my father worked a lifetime hard, yes, and they didn't obtain this kind of money which I'm doing with trading, yes. So in this case, working hard is the fundament. And I tell you something, if you don't have the right work ethics, that means when you are sleeping the whole the morning, yes, till the noon, yes, till afternoon, you have not the right work ethics. When you are not, not disciplined, yes, then you don't have the work ethics, yes, to be a hard worker. A hard worker means, yes, working hard means you do things you don't like and you do them. So what is saying Stephen King? Stephen King is talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates the talented individual from the successful one is hard work. Man, everybody is saying this. Yes, work hard. Yes, but this is the beginning. At the beginning, you have to work hard, because as long you have not worked hard, you don't know to distinguish that things what you need to work. That is the next step. Work smart. Yes, first you work hard. Does it mean hard working? Also, if it's only mental, yes, because Stephen King is not somebody who's working with his strengths. Yes, he is writer. He's an author. Yes, so in this case, when he says yes, successful one is hard work. Yes, that means hard work doesn't mean that you have to do this physical. Yes, hard work means you do that what the profession is telling you. Yes, that what it's written required. Okay, first thing is work hard. Yes, that is really hard stuff. Work hard. This is when you have no will anymore, when you are frustrated, when you see that all the things what you are doing are not putting you in the, yes, which are not rewarding you. Yes, work hard. The number one. Work two. The second one is after you work hard a long time, you worked hard and you don't get any kind of success, but you understood that what you are doing. Yes, you understand your business, your trading business. You understand that we are now, for example, that it doesn't help when you are following any kind of stupid strategies, that you have to follow this price action. Yes, price action and maybe in conjunction with kind of strategy. Yes, then you are shifting from working hard into working smart. So what does working smart mean? Working smart means finding the few activities, yes, finding the few trading setups, finding the few trading activities, that matter the most, and going all in on those to create the best possible results. That means when you are working smart, means when you know that you are good in trading the ranging markets, the reversal latitude deviation Bollinger Band, for example, then what working smart would be. Working hard would be you would trade everything. Yes, all the things, everything, you try everything, you are following on the shiny object syndrome, everything what looks and sounds a little bit good, yes, you are following. This is working hard, you are trying everything. It's like the shotgun approach, yes. You have a shotgun, you do a shot, yes, and then you have a spread, and some some of the bullets will hit, but the most of them will go away. Yes, this is a shotgun. Here, working smart is a sniper approach. That means when you know that you are a good trader in ranging market, when you know that you are a good trader in trending markets, yes, to trade in trending market, that is working smart. That means then you let go all the other stuff, the shiny object syndromes, yes, and then you focus on these few activities, yes, that matters the most. Because at the end, what wants a consistently profitable trader? He wants only to make money. He wants only make money. He wants not any kind of ego satisfaction. You have not to be always right. Yes, it's only important that you get out of the stuff in profit. That is your goal. Not only this, and then you have to focus on these few activities. Yes, that is working smart. So, and when you have this, yes, there is the most successful ones. Work smart, not hard. Yes, you switch, but before they're gonna work smart, they had to work hard. Yes, because if you don't try everything, you don't know what you need to focus on, of which kind of few activities which will result the best results. Yes, if you have not a mentor, yes, if you have not a lead, somebody who is pointing you on the most important things, like I'm doing, yes, I'm giving you this kind of information, yes, so try to use it, yes, to focus on the most activities which matter the most. Understand this, yes, from working hard going to working smart, yes. The most successful ones work smart, not hard, but before they're gonna work smart, they worked hard. And understand this, yes, that is the reason why I have done here 1, 2, 3. So the last part, when you work smart, yes, and you know which of those few activities matters the most and which are trying to create the best possible results, yes, then you're gonna shift and then you go to do the third thing, and the third thing is think hard. So think hard. Thinking hard means dropping all else, all the vacations you had planned, all the good work you intended to do, all your assumptions, yes, everything except that one thought at the time. One thought at the time. And you let go everything else. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. And that is a problem. Why do you think I'm getting out all this kind of concept stuff, all this kind of knowledge? Because I'm damn thinking hard. I'm thinking so hard you don't understand this. Because the thing is this, when you have found the few activities which matter the most, you, with your thinking process, improve those kind of trading stuff. When I'm telling you in a ranging market you have to reverse, that you have to trade the reversal at the 2 deviation or the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, that is a thinking process behind. I knew that I have to trade the reversal at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. That was what I discovered, yes, while I was working hard, yes, from so many others. The no rejection trading setup, the process of elimination, the higher high, higher low stuff, all this kind of stuff came out of the work hard, because there was so many stuff which was not working. Yes, and those one which worked, I focused on. That was what I was working smart on. Yes, because it was important to make profit. Because when I don't make profit out of those kind of things, they are not good. So, and then I got further and thinking hard about them, how I improve this kind of concepts, adding the market condition, adding the context. Yes, that is thinking hard. So, and when you did it, yes, you will obtain and you will become a consistently profitable trader. Yes, but you have to go each step, because you cannot think hard, because you don't know about what to thinking hard when you didn't figure out the few activities which matter the most. Yes, and you cannot figure out the few activities which matter the most and bring the best possible results if you didn't work hard. So understand this, yes. There is no shortcut. That is the way it goes, yes. Number 1, work hard. Number 2, work smart. Number 3, think hard. Number 1, work hard. Most of those one of you are not able to work hard. You're having fun, yes, and fun is not working hard, yes, because working hard means you do things you do not like. yes, and you have the discipline to do the things what you do not like, because you know, yes, that from the work hard status state you will go someday on the work smart status. Yes, and the thing is this, what is really ridiculous, at my time I hadn't this kind of guide like I have given to you now, with the bot price action Bible, with the video packs, with the bot mentorship program. I didn't have this stuff. I would have gotten this immediately. I had to go all the years through the really hard work. That means I have lost and wasted so much time. I had to figure out what was working, what was not working on my own. Yes, and that was really work hard work. You are really benefiting, and you can be really happy that you get all the stuff from me, all this price action stuff from me on the silver spoon. Yes, so you avoid a lot of hard work. Yes, and you can go immediately into work smart. But because I'm giving you the stuff on the silver spoon, most of you are not working smart. Yes, when I see the trades which my bot mentorship program students are doing, I'm thinking that they think they are doing a game. They are playing World of Warcraft or whatever. I don't know. Yes, that's not good. And that one, what is really true, is that what Henry Ford said. Yes, thinking is the hardest work, because most of them do not even think. Yes, about that what they are doing. They don't understand is that they have the possibility to become a consistently profitable trader. Yes, each of you has the probability, the probability to become a consistently profitable trader. But you have to know that it's not like that it's not an easy task. Yes, you have to put effort into it. You have to work hard, work smart, and think hard. Okay, that was this one. I hope you got it. Yes, I would like to talk about much more how this was related to my own career. Yes, as a trader. Yes, but the time is running by, and I try to cover today the fourth part of the fake breakout stuff. So. But before I'm going to do this, I have to name first the ebooks. So the bot price action guide, you find the link in the description. The bot price action guide contains only illustrations. I cannot tell you this often enough. Only illustrations. Over 100 pages of illustrations, no explanations. The bot price action guide, you can find the link in the description. So the bot price action Bible, and contains the illustrations and explanations. Over 270 pages of illustrations and explanations. The bot price action guide will increase in price. The bot price action Bible will increase in price, and that's pretty soon. If you want to get this kind of ebooks now, yes, and you will save money, you have to get this now. Yes, you have to get this now if you want to save money, and don't cry after it. Yes, because I have to do this. Yes, because at the end that what's happening there with the ebooks is not what I wanted. Yes, and that's the reason why I have to increase it, because the value they are sold under value. Yes, these are life-changing material. Yes, and people are abusing this. Yes, they are abusing this, and I'm not willing, because I do not need the money. I don't need the money of the ebook. That's the reason why I'm increasing it. Yes, I'm increasing because I don't need it, but I want that it will be appreciated. Okay, so the bot price action guide, you find the Bible, you find the link in the description. If you have the bot price action Bible, you do not need the bot price action guide. It's also really important, because most of you are getting both of them. Yes, you don't need both. If you because the bot price action guide is included in the bot price action Bible, yes, and you find the link in the description. I don't know how often I have to tell this. Yes, in the description you find the link to the bot price action Bible, to the bot price action guide. So the next one are the video packs. Video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the medium ones, video pack 3 for the nearly for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 for the nearly pros. The video packs, the price will increase too, yes, because it's undervalued. That information which you are getting, the instant access to my core knowledge gained in years of experience, yes, that will increase in price too. If you want them to and you want to save money, you have to get them as fast as possible, because the price will increase soon. I have to say this, yes, because I want to be honest to you, yes, but I cannot give you any more the stuff under value, because other people are making money out of it, yes, and that is not the case, yes, because at the end, when somebody is buying my video pack and it's selling that for the double, yes, it's not the case, because at the end, it's my product, it's my video packs, yes, and it's not the case. And the people are doing this, and that's the reason why I have to increase the price too, so easily. So, video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the nearly medium ones, video pack 3 for the nearly pros, and video pack 3 for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 for the nearly pros. Okay, so that is this one. You find the link to the video packs in the description too. Okay, so and the last one, also the BOTT mentorship program will be affected by the increasing of the price because the request is too much. I have too many who want to get into the BOTT mentorship program. Yes, and that's the reason why I have to increase the price too. So if you want to join the BOTT mentorship program, you have to do this as fast as possible too. Yes, because soon the price will increase. You can still send an application by sending me an empty email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com with the subject BOTT mentorship program. The thing is this. I'm telling this in each and every video. Yes, I'm saying this in each and every video. And the problem is that always I get the questions, how can I join the BOTT mentorship program? It's really ridiculous. Yes, I don't know what the people are watching, but I see always this kind of questions. These questions which I'm telling you here in the videos, every time, yes, it's always a question which I'm getting. And I'm asking myself, what are they watching? Yes, do they watch even one of my videos? I don't know, but they want to join the BOTT mentorship program. So send me an empty email to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com to get your foot into the door. Yes, because like I have explained, the BOTT mentorship program will be given to my BOTT mentors. Yes, if you want to get educated by me, you have to do this pretty fast. Yes, pretty fast. And because I'm that one, my lifestyle motto is, the early bird catches the worm. So many of my BOTT mentorship program students have saved a lot of money only thanks to this motto. Yes, because they were really fast in taking the opportunity. Yes, they saved a lot of money. Yes, by getting the ebook as fast as possible. Yes, because they know the value of my products, the BOTT Price Action Bible, the video packs, the BOTT mentorship program, the BOTT price action guide. The value will increase always because the value behind this kind of knowledge which I'm giving you, yes, is so high because it's making you money. Yes, I have so many who watched my YouTube videos, who read the BOTT Price Action Bible and studied the BOTT Price Action Bible, who has watched the video packs, which are making money only because of this. Yes, and so the value which is behind this, and I tell you something, the price will increase much more in the next time. Much more. After the next increase, I will increase the price always, all the time. I will never reduce the price. It will go up, up, up. So it's for you an investment. And you should invest in yourself, in the knowledge which I'm giving through the BOTT Price Action Bible, through the video packs, yes, and most probably also through the BOTT mentorship program, yes, if you are not able to do this on your own and you want to accelerate, yes, if you want to get this kind of stuff which I'm giving you here in this kind of psychology part, when you will get this immediately one by one from me, yes, by teaching you exactly how to work hard, how to work smart, yes, and how to think hard, yes, by giving you the advices, yes, why some trades are not working, why you are psychology so much affected, and all this kind of stuff. Okay, that was really important that you got it, yes, because at the end I want to inform you, because I'm trying to be transparent and I want that all of you know this. So the next thing, what I want to do is the BOTT prize money winner. So, but I will do something special today too. The guy, because if you want to win the $300 BOTT prize money, you have to comment below this video. Yes, I will divide the 300 through 3 people. Yes, of those one who has commented below this video. Maybe that will be next week, maybe over the next week. But today I want to give away again the $10. But I will give away also $20 to this guy, or to those guys, or to those girls, yes, who are telling me in the comments what is the most important skill to become a consistently profitable trader. Successful, consistent trader. I want to know that. If you know this, you will get next week, yes, from me $20. Yes, and if nobody will discover what is the most important skill to become a consistently profitable trader, yes, then I will double. Then I will double the 20 to 40, and I will double it so long till somebody is going to discover, yes, what the most important skill is, yes, to become a consistently profitable trader. So that is my special for this week, yes. And let me see, yes, in the community page you get the informations behind this, Mother Melo tools, chart analysis, yes, the real charts of the latest videos, the winner of the bot prize money, yes, all this kind of stuff, reports, reviews from those one who have succeeded, who got released from the bot mentorship program and are now making money, scam reports, all this kind of stuff, yes, my own trading history sometimes, yes, because in the last weeks I was not able to trade so much because of various circumstances. So all this kind of stuff, you find the stuff in the community page, also the Mother Nano tools, all this kind of stuff. Watch the community page, yes, before you're gonna send me any kind of email. So, and now we are going to announce the winner of the bot prize money. I will give away again $10. So let me see who will be the winner. I have to do this really fast. So go. Who is this? Here go. That is number one. That's me. So 164. Yes, 164. So, and now let's see who will be the winner. 164. Yes, and generate. Well, that is one of those one who has commented. Yes, yes, immediately. That was one of those one who mostly write, I'm the first. So let's see. Man, that is, last time it was number 3, it was the last one. This time it's one of the first who has commented. That makes me pretty happy. Yes, the universe is giving the money to those one who deserve it. So let me see. 162. Look at this. 164, 163, 100, yes, 62. That is 3 seconds ago. Alhan Gutierrez. Woohoo! Yes. You are the winner. You got the bot prize money. I will contact you, Alhan Gutierrez. Congratulations. So again, if you want to participate in the bot prize money, comment below this video now. Yes, now. If you know what is the most important skill to become a consistently profitable trader, comment below this video and you will be maybe the winner of the $20 next week. Yes. Yes, if you want to use the investment recovery, send me an email with the subject investment recovery to get your money back from IQ option if it's possible. Yes, if you want to get the information about the indicator, send me an email with the subject indicator, bot indicator, to get the information about the indicator when it gets released. And if you have already contacted me, then not. If you have problems with low payout percentage limitation from IQ option, contact me also with the subject IQ option. Yes, there are solutions for this problem. Yes, send me, because so many are affected by this low percentage, and so you can contact me, yes, with the subject IQ option, and yes, and then you can do this kind of steps to go against it. So, and yes, and now we are going to the topic, yes, the last topic, the pre-last topic of the high fake breakout stuff. Yes, and I have prepared again in my spare time, yes, this kind of stuff, and it will be again mind-blowing. Yes, the last week video was already mind-blowing. When you are able to understand the concept of this fake breakout, you have an arsenal. Yes, you have an arsenal of so many trades to do. You can so many trades. Yes, and they are nearly almost often sure shots. Yes, so let me see if I can find where it will be. So let me see. I think it's this one here. Oh, so many pages here. Yes, this one here. I have prepared this one. Look at this. This is number 4. Yes, how to predict the next candlestick with a false breakout, fake breakout, number 4. Yes, and I got a question from one of you who asked me, yes, Benjamin, you show this always on the Bollinger Band, on the EMAs, and all this kind of stuff. What is with a normal support and resistance level? This kind of stuff, if what I'm explaining here on the 1 deviation, 2 deviation, on the EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, whatever EMA, yes, that is the same concept which you can apply to the normal support and resistance level. You take the stuff which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible about the advanced SNR technique, yes, where you use the body reversal of the reversal patterns as support and resistance level, and then you use this kind of stuff. And you have to remember only one thing. The thing is that the fake breakout, when the closing price of the candlestick is close to the key level, yes, then that is a sign that there will happen after a breakout, that there will happen a fake breakout. That means when a candlestick is breaking through a level, any key level, EMAs, trend line, Bollinger Bands, support and resistance level, horizontal ones, yes, round numbers, every kind of level, yes, and the next candle is closing close to this level, that is a sign that there will happen a fake breakout. Obviously, you have to understand the market condition, that means the trend, yes. When there is a ranging market, yes, then you use mostly the EMAs, the EMAs and most of the deviation, 1 deviation Bollinger Band and the 2 deviation Bollinger Band in a ranging market. When you are trending, you use the EMAs. So easy, yes. And then you trade like the other concepts, because you know price action is, everything is working together. Then you use that kind of concept where I told you, trade in the direction of the trend. That means you do call options on support in an uptrend, yes, and put option on the resistance in a downtrend. And that concept in conjunction with the entry point stuff, in conjunction with the purchase and expiration time, all this kind of stuff which I have explained in the BOTT price action Bible, yes, and which I'm showing you always and again in my YouTube videos and also in the video packs, yes, where I have those kind of trades explained, where I show exactly what trades are good, which trades are bad, what you have to look for, what you should avoid, and what you should focus on, all this kind of stuff, yes. That is this. I mean, I'm doing this already here. Yes, I'm doing this already for more than 2 years. Yes, if it would be something what I could tell you in one sentence, yes, then I would do this. But it's much more complex. That's the reason why only so less succeed on becoming consistently profitable. Yes, because it's not only the knowledge, it's not only the wisdom which you have generated out of the knowledge and the experience, it's also the mindset psychology stuff. Yes, because most of you are psychology not stable because you have the wrong mindset. The mindset is one of the most important skills, yes, to become a consistently profitable. You have to have already the mindset prepared, yes, because if you are not growing your own, then you will not become a consistently profitable trader. That's so easy, yes. You don't have not even to listen those one around you who didn't obtain this kind of state, yes, because if I would have listened to my parents, yes, I would never become a consistently profitable trader. That's so easy. You have to go through that what you want to go. And if you want this, you have to believe in yourself. Okay, but that I have already explained so often. Please watch the trading psychology video class. Yes, if you are seeing that you have the knowledge and you are still not succeeding, then you have to go through the trading psychology stuff, which I have explained, to change your habits. Yes, you have to change your habits. You have to become and to get trading habits. Yes, the pro trader habits. That means get quality sleep and all this kind of stuff, which I have already explained. Yes. So, and then you do reverse engineering, yes, you do reverse engineering, yes, what needed, yes, what needed, yes, and then obviously you have to try to do that, what I have explained to you today, to work smart, yes, and thinking hard, yes, that means why a trade is not working, yes, what is the reason why this trade is not working, what is the reason why I'm blowing my account. You have to ask you the right questions. If you are not asking you the right questions, you will never get the right answers. Yes, those kind of questions, you know, that is what I'm telling often. The school, yes, the school system, yes, because I was never good in school. I have to tell you this, yes, only to let you know this. Yes, the school is there to answer your questions which you never asked. And that's it. You have to ask yourself the most important questions. You have to ask them yourself. Yes? And then you have to ask yourself quality questions. And quality questions you get only, yes, by thinking hard. Yes, because when you don't think hard, you will not get quality questions. Yes, you get questions which are so easily to answer with yes or no. Yes, that is not this. Yes, I have so many who are so lazy. They start the application process and the only answer I get on the first 7 questions is yes. Yes, or sometimes yes, I'm interested. Go to hell. Yes, go to hell, really, go to hell. When I read this, you have 7 questions and somebody is writing, yes, I'm interested. I'm sending him immediately to hell. Immediately. I open the shelf, I put it in the shelf and I close the door. And then I lock it up. I will not tell anything to do something. That is not the way. Okay, so let's go. Before I'm gonna again too emotionally, yes, because I'm getting so upset how people are wasting their time, how people are wasting their money, how people are treating themselves like yes. So in this case, try to not waste your time, yes, because your life is really short. So many are trying to tell you that life is long. No, life is not long. Yes, and I tell you something. Those one who work hard, yes, they work hard, but they have an easy life. Those one who have an easy life, yes, no, those who work easy, they have a hard life. Yes, that is in correlation. That means when you work hard, and you work smart, because at the beginning I worked hard, really hard. But when you worked a lot of time hard and you understood what are the few activities, and then you work smart, yes, then you understand that the working, yes, the hard working will lead to, and thinking hard obviously also, will lead to much more, how can I say this, relaxed life. Yes, because you're thinking about the stuff which you are doing, yes, and then you do things which you will less regret. So easy, yes. And when you are not thinking and you are not working hard, yes, then you have the easy lifestyle style. Yeah? Then you have to pay it later. Yes, I have explained this last time. Yes, pay the price. You have to pay the price, and that means in general that you have to understand also what it means. Yes, and you have to have the right work ethics. Because I often look today with the internet connection. Yes, I have done the video today 3 hours later. I have not the time to do this. Yes, but I take the time. Yes, I take the time, and I could say easily. Yes, I could say it easily. Oh no, I don't want to do this today. I'll do this next week. Yes, it was no problem. Yes, it's the same thing. This is the same thing when you are doing the workout. Yes, you do workouts. Yes, and instead of doing the workout, you get immediately the first excuse which is coming. Yes, yes, today internet is not working. I couldn't do that and that and that, so I don't do my workout. No, that is work ethics. Yes, work ethics means, yes, you do this no matter what, and only when you are nearly dying. Yes, only when you are nearly dying. Yes, then you avoid this. Or obviously when you have the financial freedom and you have the freedom which you want, yes, that you can do this, yes, then you say, okay, I don't do this, yes, or you are in good shape, you have not eaten so much, then you don't need to go to gym. Then you can do this. You can maybe also, if you have exercised before a lot of more, you can do this. But in general, it's the work ethics. It's that what you put in it. Yes, what does it mean? Yes, that you do things which you don't like. Yes, because nobody likes to do always a workout. Yes, I don't like to do workouts. Yes, but anyway, I do this. Yes, because I have my goal in front of me. Yes, I don't want to get other, yes, and that is the reason. And this is the same with trading. I was doing my trades. I was trading like a mad. Yes. 16 hours a day I was studying everything what I could get in my fingers. I was watching every video what I was getting in my fingers, yes, and I was trying to take notes whatever I could. I was analyzing past charts until I got bleeding eyes, yes. I had bleeding ears from the YouTube channel. I have bleeding eyes from watching chart. Yes, I was dreaming only from green bars and red bars. Yes, I was frustrated because nothing worked out, and I was putting so much effort into it, and it didn't work out till I understood that working hard is not the goal. Not that what to achieve the goal. I had to change my trade, and I had to become and working smart. Okay, so we're going again a little bit too far, and I will do maybe some other stuff about the psychology part, because I want to give you much more of the insight of my life, how I became this pro trader. Yes, but important is that you got the point that you have to go through step one, work hard. Step two, working smart, and then thinking hard to improve that what you work smart. Yes, because that is the steps to improve each and every step. Okay, so let's go. Again, false breakout concept, fake breakout methods. Fake breakout is a breakout of a key level, any key level, EMAs, trend line, and I'm repeating it. I'm repeating it again and again and again so that it will go into your mind. Yes, fake breakout is a breakout of a key level. Yes, where the closing price of the candlestick is close to it. Yes, so that is that can happen into a fake breakout. So, and there are fake breakouts which you can anticipate, and there are fake breakouts which you trade after they happened. Really important. And today I have some more where you can anticipate them. The first one is this one here. The first one is this one. We have here, yes, ranging market. You see the flat EMAs. You see here the breakout of the 50 EMA and the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. And because that was a weak candle, and this candle was not able to break through the higher high of the previous candle, in form of a weak candle, we have the process of elimination. This weak candle is sign of a reversal, so you can anticipate. Yes, you can anticipate the fake breakout, and that's the reason why I have done this. This is a little bit of aggressive approach. Yes, but this was already, yes, you could do this put option here because of this weak candle which was not creating any kind of higher high after the retracement candle. Yes, so in the next candle, so that was what you could do, the put trade. Yes, and that here would be the sure shot. Why? Because the closing price of this candle is close to the key level which gonna broken. So, and when people are still doing after this candlestick a call option, then they have a problem with the market condition. Yes, because in a ranging market, yes, where the EMAs are flat, you don't do a trend continuation, and this is not a retracement candle. That is what I see often, yes, when people do not understand the market condition. And I told this, yes, the market condition and how to apply the right concepts in the context is given to you to the video packs. Video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the medium ones, video pack 3 for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 for the nearly pros. This kind of understanding how to apply this kind of trades, this kind of concepts which I have given to you in the BOTT price action Bible. That is also the reason why I'm telling you, before you get the BOTT video packs, the BOTT mentorship program self-planning modules video packs 1, 2, 3, and 4, you should get the BOTT price action Bible, because the concepts are the fundament. The context and how to apply this is given to you in the video packs. So if you get the video packs, I think you will not understand so much. That's because you don't understand the concepts. You need the BOTT price action Bible before, with the explanations, not the BOTT price action guide. That's because the BOTT price action guide has only the illustrations. You need the explanations which are bringing you the things on the point. It will save you a lot of time. It will save you a lot of money, and yes, and it will give you the possibility to own the market. The BOTT price action Bible in conjunction with the video packs. Yes. Okay, so let's continue. So again, this closing price is close to the key level. That is a sign that there will be a fake breakout. We have a major downtrend because of the alignment of the EMAs. This is the sure shot approach, put option, because this candle was giving you the sign that we get now a reversal. This together here will be a doji. That will be a long leg doji, so the confirmation that the price will reverse. So that is number one, okay? So number two is this one. It's evening star forming. So, and yes, what is this? Exhaustion candle. So what kind of market condition do we have here? We have again flat EMAs. Flat EMAs, what does it mean? Flat EMAs means we have ranging market. We get an exhaustion candle in a ranging market touching the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, creating a support and resistance level here. This closing price of this candle after the breakout is close to the key level. Yes, it's not a bullish candle, yes, where the closing price is far away. No, it's close to the key level. Yes, and because it's close to the key level, it has a probability of a fake breakout. Yes, and everybody knows this. Yes, if this candle here is not doing here the breaking of the higher high of the previous candle, we have the process of elimination, and then you have the process of elimination in conjunction with a fake breakout probability. That is highest probability trading setup. This is why I have built up everything step on step. I have shown you all the higher high, higher low concepts. Then I have shown you all the process of eliminations, and now you are putting the process of elimination with a higher high, higher low in conjunction with a fake breakout, and you get the whole picture. Yes, and that is what I'm giving to you. Yes, that's what I have gained in 4 years of experience. I'm giving you this here immediately on the silver spoon. Yes, to get it immediately in your brain. Yes, and that is what I have missed when I was studying. Nobody was giving anything. Yes, and I can permit this, yes, because I'm a pro trader, I make my money, yes, and if you want to make money too, I'm happy. Yes, so easy. That is my mission. I want that you all make money. So easy. So the next one, and that will be so amazing. The BOTT indicator will be a game changer completely, because the BOTT indicator, yes, that makes it much more easier to trade based on the concepts which I have given to you with the BOTT price action Bible, which I'm giving to you with the video packs. Yes, this indicator is using the BOTT concepts at its best, and I'm always impressed how the indicator, how accurate the indicator is. Yes, this will be a game changer. It is a game changer, but it will take a little bit time to make it complete. Yes, because the indicator itself is ready, but all the stuff around the indicator has to be created still. So be patient. So okay, here you see fake breakout of the 2 deviation Bollinger Band after the exhaustion candle and the candlestick, the process of elimination. Yes, I didn't have, so we have a confluence. Yes, here this candle is not breaking through the lower low of the previous candle. Yes, so you can expect on the next candle that there happen some kind of weak candle, a doji or something. But because we have a reversal at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band and we have ranging market, you should stay on the minute trend and following the minute trend after the upcoming weak candle. Yes, because if this candle is not breaking through the lower low, it will be a weak candle. So the next one is this one. This one is a fake breakout of the 1 deviation Bollinger Band in a major downtrend. Yes, and after the 3 white soldiers. We have 3 white soldiers. You see here, this candlestick, somebody would say, yeah, man, Benjamin, this kind of candlestick is closing exactly on the higher high of the previous candle. Why it's not a put option here after it? Because we are in a ranging market. The price reversed at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, and because we are in a ranging market, you stay in the direction of the minute trend. You stay in the direction of the minute trend, far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band at the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. It's not anymore the case to do a put option. Yes, because you have to see also the prevailing trend, because this is a retracement of the prevailing trend. And because of this, you have to understand that there will happen much more than only 2 candles, especially when it's only stopping there. So, 3 white soldiers, yes, in a major downtrend, put option here because of the shaven head. The third candle of the three white soldiers is a shaven head. Yes, then you enter into a put option from the 20 EMA following the major and the minute trend. Yes, that could be done here. That is a little bit risky. It has nothing to do with the fake breakout stuff. Yes, but you could trade this candle. You could trade this because we have the 3 white soldiers and you expect a retracement. So, and then you got an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle, which is doing a fake breakout of the 1 deviation, and then you use the 1 deviation as a resistance level to do your put option. So, and that, yes, that is one of the sure shots. I have seen this so often, and it's so easy to trade this. It's so easy. The only thing what you have to do is following the major trend. Yes, only the major trend to follow after this kind of fake breakout happens. So after this we get here a bullish candle. Why? Because we are coming from a downtrend, we are going far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, and then there will coming up another concept which I have shown, that one of the strong SNR level based on the ranging market far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Watch the playlist, you will find this video. Yes, that is also what hard working is. Hard working is not asking me where to find something, going and search on your own. If you are not able to find one of those videos, yes, if you are not able, what the hell are you expecting that to become a pro trader or consistently profitable if you are not even able to work hard and finding this video what you want? Do something. I was searching for all this stuff also. Yes, I was watching all the videos from all guys. Yes, so much. So, but you want everything easy. So the next one is this one, and you see the things that are repeating themselves. I'm telling you almost the same stuff, only in different constellations. And important is that you understand the concept behind. The concept is a fake breakout, and after the fake breakout, you do the trend continuation. The thing is, there are 2, 3, 4, 5 different versions where you can anticipate this trade. This one, this one. These are those ones which you can anticipate. This could be anticipated too, but it would be risky, yes, because of the weak candle. Here in this case, I would have waited, yes, because when you see already tiny candles coming up, then you have to be careful, because tiny candles means, yes, that you get bad entry points. And here in this candlestick, you would get a bad entry point because the movement would be a sharp movement upwards. You would enter into a call, and then the price would trace below your entry point, and you would get out of the money. That is experience. That is experience. That's the reason why I'm showing you that after this candle I would not enter into a call trade. Yes, because I would have seen immediately that the price would move up. Yes, and when the price moves up, it's already far away from the closing price of this candle. And when the candlestick is far away from the closing price of the previous candle, you should not enter. You should wait that you get again close to the level if you want to enter. Okay, so that one here, that was a fake breakout. Here we have a consolidation area. This candle is not breaking through this level, so you could have entered into a call trade here too. Yes, if you want to do this, you could do this. That would be again the process of elimination. Yes, I don't want to show this, to be honest, because when I don't want to show this because at the end, yes, because we are talking about the fake breakout, but when I'm showing this here, I will show you this also here. This would be a call option because this candle is not breaking through the one deviation with determination. It's not breaking through the support level. So you could do a call option here based on the process of elimination, only to make it clear. I will give you the real chart of these trades from my students too. Yes, in the community page, I have shown you this. Yes, I will publish them here on the community page. Yes, like I have done this here too. Yes, so that you have an understanding. Yes, what kind of one it will be. So, and then, yes, and then you do a call option, and then, because we have a major uptrend here and a minor uptrend, because the price is above the one deviation, you use this level here, like I have explained before, as a call option on support in an uptrend. That is this one, yes, okay? Call option on support in an uptrend after the fake breakout. So the next one is this. This one is another scenario. You see it's the same scenario like this one here. Yes, it's not a big difference. We have a nice downtrend. We are going far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. This candlestick is doing a higher high. Yes, and we have a flat 100 EMA. This is a weak candle. This would implicate already that the next candle will happen a reversal. Yes, but because of the flat 200 EMA and the flat 100 EMA, you have to wait, because when you have flat EMAs, you get retracement candles like this, dojis, yes. That here, when you have flat EMAs, you get dojis. And that's the reason why you get this doji. That doji comes because the flat 200 EMA and the flat 100 EMA. And the price is in between of them, yes. And because they are in between of them, yes, you have to be careful because there is no trend, so you wait for that to get a confirmation. So, and this candle was a confirmation because this candle was stopping with a closing price, yes, and that is one of the rules, yes, close to the key level. And when the closing price of the candlestick is close to the key level, it's a sign that the fake breakout will happen. This is showing that there is a support level. Yes, and that's the reason why you do on the next candle a call. Yes, that is this one. That would be again a sure shot. So, and the last one, yes, the last one is this one. The last one is this one. We have again a minor uptrend. Then we have here a Bollinger squeeze. You don't see this, but we have a Bollinger squeeze. So then we have here a breakout of the one deviation of the 20 EMA and the one deviation Bollinger Band. That one here is what? A weak candle, again, yes, a weak candle because the same size upper and lower shadow. This candlestick here, the upper shadow gets rejected from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. in a ranging market after a Bollinger Squeeze, what are you going to do? The same what you're going to do here on a ranging market. You do the reversal at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. That's the reason why this trade is a good trade and not such kind of aggressive trade. That would be already a good trade. Yes, and that here is nothing else than the put option on resistance in a minor downtrend in a ranging market. So easy, yes, and that was the fourth one. The next week I will do the fifth one and the last one about fake breakouts and false breakouts. Yes, after it I'm gonna show you the amazing sure shot. Yes, a really nice sure shot which you can use always. Yes, which is really good, which is really accurate, which will make you really happy. And after it, I'm going to do the candlestick next. So in this case, if you want information about the investment recovery and get to investment recovery for an IQ option, send me an email with the subject investment recovery. If you want information about the indicator, if you don't have contact me already, if you have contact me already, please don't send me again an email. Yes, you will contact when the indicator is ready. Yes, if you want information, send me an email with the subject BOTT indicator. If you have the 48% limitation from IQ option of your account and you want to get rid of this limitation, send me an email with the subject IQ option. There are solutions for this. And if you want to get the bot price money, the $300 divided through 3, then comment below this video. If you want next week the $20, comment below this video what is the most important skill to become a consistently profitable trader. Yes, and yes, and if you want to join the BOTT mentorship program, you can still join it. Yes, but you have to join it fast. Then you have to send me an empty email with the subject BOTT mentorship program. Yes, to start the application process. I tell you this immediately. Do this fast as possible. Yes, because the price of the BOTT mentorship program will increase. Then if you want the video packs, you find the link in the description. Video pack 1 for the beginner, video pack 2 for the medium ones, video pack 3 for the advanced ones, and video pack 4 for the nearly pros. The video packs will increase in the price too. So if you want them, try to get them as fast as possible. You need the video packs to understand the context, yes, to understand how to apply the concepts from the BOTT price action Bible on the market properly, yes, with good explanations and perfect explanations, yes, why a took worked out, why a trade wouldn't work out, what you should look for, what you should avoid, what you should try to, to do to own the market in general. Yes, also that how to apply this, how to work smart. Yes, that is explained in the BOTT video packs. And then obviously the concepts. Yes, the BOTT price action Bible is a holy grail. I will call it the holy grail because it has everything what you need on concepts. Yes, if you have this, when you have this knowledge, yes, and you study the BOTT price action Bible accurately, also the price of the BOTT price action Bible will increase. So if you want it, you have to get it as fast as possible, or you have to pay the price after it. Yes, that is the reality. I cannot take care about anybody anymore. Yes, because if other people are abusing it, I have to do my action against it. Okay, so that was it already. So in this case, yes, in this case, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, then I would recommend to you to subscribe it immediately. Yes, and if you have something to say or you want easily winning this BOTT price money, comment below and drop a line in the comment section. And I tell you something, it's not enough to watch only my videos. Yes, you have to take notes, you have to check the past chart, you have to try to to spot this kind of concepts, this kind of things which I'm telling to you. You have to spot them on the past chart, yes, to make it in your brain. Write it down to make it in your brain. Okay, so in this case, I would say, like always, and you see, I have done the video and I'm happy that I have done it, because at the end it looked like my internet connection would go away again, but no, it holds. So in this case, stay safe, yes, and bye-bye.